Hi, everyone, and welcome to GHTV Channel 5 with Chris and Aaron.
Hi, everybody. We come to you this evening with a couple of items to discuss. We have a new chief of police in Glendale Hills and a Halloween contest with a really big prize.
Wow, it was a shock to all today in Town Hall when former Chief of Police Serena Blackrose resigns, but states although she loves the city and the people in it, it was just time for her to move on. City Governor had to appoint Assistant Chief Ari Storm as new chief. What is your thought on that, Aaron?
I think it's a great idea, Chris. Ari's a wonderful girl and a good best friend. I say, go Ari.
Yeah, go Ari.
All right, you guys. As fall comes along, it's time for pumpkins to be carved and decorations to be put out for the annual Halloween contest. We will be judging the decorations in everyone's front yard. The prize for the best decorated yard will be 1,000 lemons. That's right. I don't know about you, Chris, but I can't wait for Halloween and all the spooky decorations.
I'm with you, Aaron. I got my costume and decorations ready to go. Well, that's it this evening. Thank you for tuning in to GHTV Channel 5 with Chris and Aaron. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.